What are you doing? You just turned straight into me, man.
I didn't see you there.
That's why you check your blind spot before you move over.
Yeah, I didn't see you. Road lights are really hard to see.
Huh?
I said you shouldn't get away about the Jacobs as well.
Well, that's why you check your blind spot alongside you. I was right bloody alongside you, man.
Inside, go to your fridge and magnet the it's a red light, dickhead. Stop. What a prick.
Analysts at the Nuffield Trust, who are healthcare specialists, actually drug prices haven't changed very much after doing a trade deal where this was because £500 million a week is a very worst case possible scenario.
All right, let's turn to the Lib Dems. 50 billion, and even bigger than 50 billion Remain bonus.
What a place to park. I ain't gonna bother pulling to the curb. Oh yeah, mate, don't bother. Lazy git.
Whoa! That's for that, mate. That.
God's sake.
This is a few years ago now. I had a phone call, not a phone call, a letter.
You know, demented wanker! You're on twatted!
Oh, a Nsmhr-ant cabin roller.
Oh, hello. Nice.
Proprietor in the UK, Andre. Good morning.
Interesting paint job.
Top pie parts were retained and international.
See, it's a little bit difficult for a bus to get into the bus stand when you decide to sling your lorry into it, isn't it? What's this bus going to do now then? Just drop its passengers off in the middle of the road, yeah? Maybe that's not the best place to park your truck, mate, if I'm honest. Oh, it's going to have to let its passengers off there now. Marvellous. Moron.
entering average speed check zone.
Kind of hell lane discipline is that?
I think you might get paid. Hello.
Hello, would you like
to come to Durham?
Oh, ducklings.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's bloody four. Oh my god. Oh my god. I still wheel up. I'm going on videotaping this. What do you think, Reece? Should we go through it? Do you know what? I don't think I will. Should we go around and videotape it? No, I don't think I'm going to go through that. No way. No one's going to be coming here.
Idiot. Dickhead.
In 2011, I mean, you played the clips there, very detailed of how my dad met you then, very in contrast to Obama and his speech as well.
Alright, okay, you don't want to come over.
In those last moments, so it's a very different type of narrative, but
Oh!
It's a Twizzy! Oh, well, that's clever, isn't it? That's clever. That is f***ing clever. Oh, God. Oh, that's looking funny.
That's £1.50, I think.
Marked up for 145, so
Yeah.
it's not worth. When you're talking 170, 200, you can't turn right there, mate.
Of rather gleeful looking conservatives. Lots of rather miserable Labourites.
Oh, naughty boy. Oh yeah, check it out. This is deja vu. I'm pretty sure I've seen one of these before. It's a Ford Focus RS. Check it out. And it's also part Transformer too. And that looks like a crash.
Penal regime for England and Wales, saying in some cases prison is not working.
Oh yeah, wonderful. You're a boss, aren't you?
Necessary to stop judges handing down sentences.
They moved down to Cornwall, paid about 50 for... Come on, dear.
That's cruel.